You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word correctly. Yes, it's a word from Latin originally, which is why it has different pronunciations in English. If you want to learn more Latin expressions, stay tuned. The most common pronunciation in the British English pronunciation, the one used more in the UK, is as idem, and that would be the Latin pronunciation as well, idem. Now, in the US in particular, it's often pronounced as idem. So idem does exist as a correct pronunciation in English. Idem, or how to pronounce idem. So idem or idem. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.